Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mahendra KV, Principal, RR Institute of Technology, Chikkabanavara, Bangalore. Internship is very important for all the students who take up the engineering course. In this connection, the Rooman Technologies, they are tied up with VTU and also with NSDC of Government of India, and they are providing all the facilities required for internship for our students. Rooman Technologies, they are providing excellent faculties for giving us the skills through internship. Our students are very happy to take up such type of skill-based internship, and it is being held in the RRIT itself in our own classroom according to our convenient time and date. So all the questions whatever is asked by the students will be answered by the teacher who is going to teach the students in the classroom through online mode, and even if it is required they are also ready to come and give the offline classes for us. In this way all our students are very much benefited through this skill-based learning platform given by the Rooman Technologies, and it is a very well established and very standard procedures are there in providing the internship to the students. Almost all our students of all branches are taking up the internship through this Rooman Technologies. So we are very grateful to Rooman Technologies.
Hi, I am Suresh Asian, single point of contact for internship conducted by VTU and in association with Rooman Technologies. So NSDC and VTU has joined hands together to give an internship to the students. The Rooman Technology is doing an amazing job in extending their skills to the students in different job roles. So students need not go and search for the internship outside the colleges. Now the internship is coming to the college, students are getting benefited, and also they have on-job skills and training and other many more things are there. In addition to that, students are getting training certificates from IBM and many other companies. We hope this training will be very useful and the students are industry ready, and the Rooman Technologies and their team doing excellent work. Thank you.